Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use bonus bet on Bet365. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is open up your web browser. Then click onto the search box and type in Bet365 and press enter. From the search results, click onto the first link. It's going to take you to the official Bet365 website. And you're going to face a screen like this. And now what you want to do is click onto login in the top right hand corner of the screen. A small window will pop up, so you will have to enter your username and password and then click onto the green login button underneath. Once you log into your account, click onto the profile icon in the top right hand corner. From this drop down menu, you're going to notice different sections. So you actually want to click onto this one that says My Offers, and then go down here and click onto this button that says Deposit Now. It's going to bring you up to this page, and from here you want to choose your payment method and then fill in the spaces underneath with your bank account details. After that, you're going to need to deposit an amount of $10 in order to claim a bonus of $30. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.